Buy high and sell low? Coming up, how bonds help prevent that. So why bother with bonds? We already saw that stocks are both attractive but risky. A second reason to own some bonds is to make that stock market risk more palatable. An allocation to bonds moderates the short-term volatility of stocks. Here, an investor put $10,000 into the stock market and had a wild ride. Here's how it felt. Too many panicked after the market tumbled and sold at a loss. Remember, newspapers, magazines, and television shows all amplify the hysteria and cause some to sell their stocks. That's bad and might have been prevented if that owner owned a bigger allotment of high-quality bonds. Here's what happened to an equal investment in treasury bonds over the same period. It did fine, but probably most important is if it kept that investor from panic selling during a bad year. Bonds give the risk-averse, long-term investor the courage and confidence to stay the course when the market periodically tumbles. Now let's have some fun. Here are two statements. You choose the one that's true. First, we have bonds are the underwear in your portfolio. Next is bonds are the jewelry in your portfolio. Click on the one that's true. Nah, no one's going to brag about their bonds at a party, although they might brag about some stock they got lucky with or show off their jewelry. Correct. The full quote by Dr. William Bernstein is, bonds are the underwear in your portfolio, unexciting and not much thought about, but select the wrong pair and you'll be surprised at how uncomfortable you are. Perfect, because this episode is all about planning to take as much risk as you comfortably can after considering your goals and circumstances, and then sticking to your plan no matter what happens in the stock market. Dr. Bernstein made this comment when addressing whether to buy bonds that will mature in the short term or the long term, but I also like it because it applies to choosing between high quality bonds or high yield bonds. We'll get to all that later, but first, I have asserted that bonds can be very safe. Is that really true? That's next. And if you'd like us to make more videos like this, give us a thumbs up, and to subscribe to our channel, click here. Thanks for watching.